Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add invitees to your meeting on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the Start Meeting icon in the home page. Press the button Start if you have chosen your audio, such as use internet for audio or don't connect audio, and then turn on your camera by clicking on the camera icon if you want to. Then press the button. And now you will be able to add people to your personal room by clicking on the icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on the again on this plus icon, and then enter participants' email addresses. As you can see, 40 people can be invited at one time. Here you are going to see the participants. If you go back, you can see all of the details of your meeting. As you can see, there's the audio option, the camera now, which is turned off, and if you click on this three dots icon, you can add these emojis and do much changes here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.